Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. I hope you all are doing amazing, and this video is very different and I'm so excited. So first question कि मैं यहाँ पे इतने सारे चीजों के साथ क्यों बैठी हूँ? आपको वैसे वीडियो के टाइटल से पता चल गया होगा कि दिस इज हाउ आई ट्रांसफॉर्म माई स्टडी कॉर्नर प्लस Amazon हॉल. मैंने Amazon से बहुत चीजें खरीदी हैं. उनको ऐसा मतलब मेरे को एक वाउचर दे देना चाहिए अभी. So now let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, now I'll show you the items which I bought from Amazon. So this is the first item. This is a cushion with a filler. I really like the print. You can see it is really nice. So yes, this actually I have a study chair which also I bought from Amazon. I'll show it to you when we go that side. So to make myself a little comfortable, I got this cushion with pillow. It is just for 299. Sale chal rahi thi, lucky people. So yes, this was our first item. So let's move on to our next item. Okay, थोड़ा सा खोला है, सिर्फ ऊपर से खोला था, पूरा नहीं देखा है. No cheating, okay? So let's open this. Even I am doing this for the first time. It is a metallic grid which I bought from Amazon for 799. Again on sale, and it has got these beautiful unicorn clips too. Unicorn! Can you see this? So आपको पता चल जाएगा कि how I will use this on my study table. So going on to our next item, these are photo frames which I bought. Actually I bought 3 photo frames, but I'm confused that I'll be using 2 only, but I'm confused which one to use. So let's see. So actually guys, I had opened it because I had to check them. So yes. So this is the first photo frame. This first time when I saw it, I'm like, wow. There's written where next. So I love traveling. So yes, this is the first photo frame. Second, this is my forever fave. I just love what is written. It is this. So it is written, sometimes I feel like giving up. Then I remember I have a lot of people to prove wrong. Yes. So yes. And then coming to the last photo frame. I know यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग देख के like ये. Wait, I have to open this. Not good at opening. They have given a note also with it. Let's see. This photo frame. दिल थाम के बैठी है. Friends. Yes, I'm not a Friends fan, but I really like this. Yes. And they've given a note that, dear Vaidehi, a big thanks for supporting our small business. Love your order. We would love your review. Have a beautiful day. So yes. And all these photo frames, these are under 400 only. So guys, now our next item. It is the mat which I'm sitting on. Sorry, I had opened it already because I was so eager to like see it. So yes, I really like the colors in it. You can see the colors are really vibrant, and it is for 799 and was going with all my corner and everything. So yes. So guys, now only 3 items are left. Let's move on to our third last item. It is a table organizer. I really liked it because I have lots of stationery, so it is best for me. You can open it. See it. So it was around 500. Yes. And then let's move on to our second last item. Like it is nice, but I do not like it that much because according to the price, they had shown that it was for 180 rupees, and they had shown 2 in it, like one this and one in pink color. But they only gave me one. So Now coming to our last item, which is my favorite item. So excited to open this. So yes, it is a unicorn dream catcher with lights. So I am liking it so much. See this? It is so beautiful. I really like it. So now, and it was for 851, but really worth the cost. I love it. So now I'm done with my Amazon haul. I have shown you all my items. Now let's transform my study corner. Let's do some work. Guys, this is a part of my study corner. This is the place where I keep my books, notes and everything. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, there is a printer also. All courtesy to lockdown, I had to buy this. This also from Amazon. मैंने बोला था मेरे को वाउचर मिलना चाहिए. आप बात करना, okay? Okay. So now let's move on to my study corner, where I have kept my study table and my study chair. This is a chair which I was talking about. This also I bought from Amazon. So this is my whole study corner's wall and everything. Before transformation. कुछ transform होने वाला है. Okay. So yes, actually before lockdown, I never felt the need for having a proper study table and a study chair, because lockdown से पहले most of the times I had to study on my set, and then अगर नहीं हो तो घर पे I had a bed table, so I used to study from that. But when lockdown started, so I had my online classes, so because of that, so I bought a study table, study chair and few things which I showed you. So I thought, why not make a video for that? So yes, now let's do some workings. Let's get started. Is almost ready and I am already loving it. It is so beautiful. So yes, but I wanted to add a personal touch in it, so I made this with my own hands. It is a really nice wall hanging. It has butterflies because I really love butterflies. So yes, and if you want a tutorial that how I made these butterflies and DIY, so you can comment below and I'll surely make a video. So I'm going to hang it. So guys, now we have come to an end for this video and I have transformed my whole study corner and I am loving it. You guys can comment below how did you find this video and how did you like my study corner. Thank you so much guys for all your love and support. Love you all and do like, comment and share, and sayonara, take care, bye.